In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Timiza app on your Android smartphone. So if you're looking forward to get a Timiza mobile app, it is pretty simple. You can do it on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to get started, you need to go to Google Play Store and then tap on it on your Android smartphone. And from Google Play Store, go ahead and tap on search here, or you can search using the search function on top here. From here, search Timiza and then tap on this search icon, and this will go ahead and search Timiza app. As you can see, we don't have any other app. You can go ahead and tap on this Timiza app. It is here. This and this are just the same. This is an ad. So if you tap on it, you can see the logo, and this is from Absa Group Limited. Now, at the time of recording this app has over 1 million downloads, and the app size is over 16 MBs with a star rating of 4.2 and with a review of over 7,000. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and begin the download process. Then install it on your Android smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here. Or if you go back to your apps now, you can see your app is here. You can now start using it. So that's how you can download and install the right Timiza app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.